In this video, I'm going to talk about the 3 easiest to learn AWS services. Now, these are the easiest to learn services, not necessarily services that have the easiest to use Hello World example. These are services that can be easy to use, and they also have an abundant amount of information and tutorials out there. And I even have some videos showing you how to use these services. First service is S3. This allows you to store files and host static websites. And it's fairly easy to get started in using. They have a free tier available and pretty good pricing. The second AWS service is Amazon CloudFront. CloudFront is Amazon's CDN, or content delivery network. With S3, your files are stored in just one location, but with CloudFront, your files can be distributed across the world. So this means faster loading times of your website, faster loading times of your content, faster download speeds. Also, if you use CloudFront, it lowers your S3 costs if you implement caching. So you're only paying the CloudFront costs and not the CloudFront and the S3 costs. So it can speed up your content and it could save you time. So it's definitely a good service to use in combination with S3. You can even set up custom domain names. The third service is Route 53. What Route 53 does is it allows you to use custom domains within AWS. So for example, you can hook up a custom domain that you bought with a different hosting provider or that you bought through AWS, but you don't have to buy it through AWS. You can use a different hosting provider, and you can hook it up with CloudFront. So now you can deliver your content stored in S3 through CloudFront using your own custom domain name with Route 53. These services are great to get started with. There's an abundance of resources and tutorials out there on how to use these, and they're fairly easy to get started compared to Amazon services. I also have a few videos on these services, and I will link them in the description below. If you're interested, go check those out. I'm interested in what you guys think. Do you guys agree with me, disagree with me? Have requests for future videos? Let me know. Let me know in the comments below. Happy to answer you. If you want more advanced content on AWS, you want to learn AWS quicker and not have to sift through, is this tutorial useful? Is this tutorial not useful? Because what a lot of people don't know when they start to learn AWS is that some of the tutorials are out of date, and Amazon updates their services a lot. So if you don't have a recent tutorial, it might not be possible to complete the tutorial, and that can be extremely frustrating when you're trying to learn AWS. If you land on a tutorial that is not up to date, it's no longer possible to finish. But with the AWS training program, I hope to solve that by constantly updating my tutorial content. And I actually use AWS on a regular basis, so I'm constantly using it, and I know if something changes, I need to go back and update the content, and a lot of other places, they don't do that. So that's the best training resource for you out there. And if you're interested, you can go sign up right now for a 7-day free trial. So if you sign up, you don't like it, you can always just cancel the account, no questions asked. If you like this content, you want more just like this, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching. Bye.